Scabiosa columbaria, also known as the pincushion flower, has been cultivated since the 17th century for its showy and long-lasting blooms. The name pincushion refers to the unique appearance of the flower heads, which resemble a cushion filled with pins. The rose pink variety is a cultivar that has been developed for its particularly vibrant pink color. It produces a profusion of small fragrant flowers with distinct pincushion-like appearance. The flowers have a central dome-shaped disc surrounded by a ring of ray flowers that are pink in color. The plant grows to a height of about 12 to 18 inches and spreads about 12 to 14 inches wide. The foliage is deeply divided and forms a compact mound. The flowers are attractive to butterflies and other pollinators and make excellent cut flowers. Pincushion flower rose pink prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil that is moderately fertile. The plant is tolerant of drought and heat and can withstand mild frost. It is a relatively low-maintenance plant that requires little attention once established. Deadheading spent blooms will encourage continued flowering. Pincushion flower is an excellent addition to mixed borders, cottage gardens, and rock gardens. It pairs well with other perennials such as lavender, catmint, and salvia. It can also be planted with annuals such as zinnias, marigolds, and cosmos for a pop of color. Pincushion flower is an excellent choice for a variety of garden settings. It makes an attractive edging plant and is ideal for planting along paths or in containers. The long-lasting blooms make a popular choice for cut flower arrangements. Additionally, the plant has a long blooming period, with flowers appearing from late spring through fall, making it a great addition to any garden looking to extend the blooming season.